Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow and I'm continuing on with my From My Heart to Yours. I guess we're going to call it a series. I'm using the papers digital paper kit, let me say that's available in my coffee shop. That will be linked below. It has 8 papers and it's all pretty Valentine-y. I don't have the full set right here because I have been cutting it up. There is a pink plaid, a red small dot, a red fishnet, a pink script, a black and white damask, a pink and white stripe, and the large black dot. And in my first video, I talked about there's an overview page, and I was saying that we could use that to cut that up for different things later on. Now, one of the things that I've done in my just recent video is a folio. This folio is a freebie and it is linked below. The folio gives you the template pieces to cut all of your flaps and your pockets and these different pockets on the side and that pocket there. Well, if you have a folio, you need to put things in it. So that is what we're doing today. We're going to make some Valentine tags and maybe a couple of Valentine cards. So I am going to cut. No, I'm not cutting anything because I need to show you, besides these goodies, what we're going to use. So I have a kit of ephemera. There are 2 sheets of ephemera. One has some cute little tags and some wax seals, some bingo cards, all different sizes, and another sheet of ephemera with some different older Valentines. Some might have been postcards, so different goodies. And then for your cards, I'm giving you an idea of 4 card layouts, because I know sometimes we go to do a card and we're like, oh, do I just slap it on the paper? So I'm giving you some ideas. You may or may not like them, but they may spur your creativity. So these 3 sheets will be in a kit, and they will be available only on my coffee shop. And that will be linked below. So now I am going to cut the video. I am going to prep these ephemera and cut them up and do any distressing. The same with these smaller bits that I've cut up over here. And if necessary, I may cut up some of that. So you don't need to watch me do that, but I will be back and then we'll start creating. So don't go away, at least not too far. I'll be right back. Okay, I am just popping back in. I have done all my prep on my ephemera. I've cut it out and distressed it. Probably should do the back edges also just in case. I've got my little labels and my wax seals cut out. I've got some leftovers from the round box papers. I kept those. I've got leftover from the Folio, and I don't know. Let's see if we can look how I cut this up. So this is the center, where? This one. No. Oh, come on. It says this, from my heart to yours. And I think this was like that. And then I think this was like that. This was cut down a bunch. And then this was along, I think that was in the middle. And I think this I don't know. But anyway, you can get the idea. Utilize, oh, I think this turned around this way. And then turn that, nope, this way. And that was there. And this was there. And that was there. But you can see, you can utilize the overview sheet also if you purchased the kit. Now, do you have to purchase the kit? No. Do I want you to? Yes. It makes it so much easier to have all these coordinating papers. But if you've got other paper or other things you want to do other than Valentine's, use these ideas, okay? Now, I am going to not have you watch me put these together because, you know, you can do the same thing, but I am going to come back and I'll show you what I've created along with 2 cards. I have my card bases cut out, so I used half of a sheet, trimmed off the white, so my cards are ready, and we'll see what comes out of it. So I will come back and I will show you what I created. I'll be right back. Okay, I am ready for show and tell. So for the outside of the folio, I did add a few little labels here and there and tucked this little letter into that spot. On the back, in the deeper pocket, I used 2 of the pieces of ephemera that were larger. I did not do anything to them. And then I've got a little glassine envelope that has some of the things that I didn't use that I may want. So I'm just sliding that in along with those 2. And then I put a little one of the labels there. And then inside, I decided I needed some little angled pockets on those. So each side got one of those. I did this one piece of ephemera on the back of a piece of the extra paper. I see I did not stress that. And then open this up. Down in here, I took one of the bingo cards and the little ticket and label and made the bingo card a pocket. This I don't have anything on as of yet. This I left just as it was. I thought it was very pretty with a little bluebird on it. This one I just rounded the corners, so it's almost like a little playing card that can have a little message that you hand to someone. I've got this little bingo, and I think I left that as a pocket also. I love leaving things as a pocket. This one is just left as a card. Oh, and you need some ribbon. That I left as a little pocket. The heart does need some ribbon. This receipt for sugar I left just like it was. I didn't want to cover anything up. And then this one, like a little card, and that slides right in there. A lot of things I didn't do anything to. I think they're just cute as they are. Slide in there. Come on. There we go. Then I've got a longer one with the other little letter. And this one I kept by itself. And it can be a little note to tuck in with a gift or just to hand to someone you know you're going to see. And then this one, I took this cute little piece of ephemera and let it hang over along with that Be Mine. I'm not sure about that ribbon. Now that I look at it in the light of day, I don't think I like it, so it'll probably get changed, but not right now. And that slides down there. And that is it. So this folds, and remember I've got a magnet in here, so I'm trying to not put a lot in that pocket that will stop it from clicking. But you can see it still does hold shut. So that is the Valentine folio. I did do 2 super simple cards. I'm not even sure that you would say that they followed any of my ideas. This one somewhat did, but I turned my little piece differently. This one is not. So I did not follow any of the layouts, but they're there for inspiration. So this is the one card that I did, and this one with the cutout from the paper overview special delivery. I didn't do anything inside, but I'm thinking I could use some of the little faux stamps on here as I'm getting ready to send this, or probably not send, but give. Okay, that is it for this installment for the From My Heart to Yours papers. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that if you are new to my channel, you will subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and share this video with others. It helps to make my little channel grow. If you are one of my subscribers, always, it's lovely to have you back. Take care, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.